Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott rear coil spring conversion kit on a Ford Crown Victoria, a Lincoln Town Car, or a Mercury Grand Marquis. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by turning the air suspension switch to the off position. The switch is located on the left side of the trunk. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Then remove the rear wheels. Remove the air spring solenoid retaining clip. Remove the electrical connector and air line from the air spring solenoid valve. Now, rotate the solenoid counterclockwise to the first stop and then carefully pull out to vent the air pressure from the air spring. After the air spring is deflated, turn again and completely remove the solenoid from the air spring. With pliers or a suitable hook tool, remove the clip that secures the top of the air spring to the chassis. To access the clip, go under the wheel arch between the body of the vehicle and the chassis. Then remove the piston-to-axle seat clip. The air spring is held in place with a round retainer clip under the piston cap. To unsnap the clip, gently pry between the piston and the axle. The clip will unsnap when pressure is applied. You can now carefully remove the air spring from the vehicle. Make sure to seal off the hose to prevent dirt or grease from entering the system. Now, remove the upper and lower shock bolts. Allow the axle to hang free unsupported. This will give you extra clearance for the coil spring. Then, remove the shocks from the vehicle to complete the removal process. Install the coil springs onto the rear axle. During the installation, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Raise the rear axle using a floor jack. Then, install the new shocks along with the upper and lower retaining nuts and bolts to the rear axle. To disarm the vehicle's air suspension, locate and unplug the air suspension module. For vehicles from 1990 to 1994, the model is located in the trunk behind the air suspension switch. Pull back the trunk carpet and remove the two nuts that mount the module. Unplug it and bolt it back in place. For vehicles from 1995 to 1997, the module is located behind the glove box. Flip the glove box down and locate the module mounted on the heater cord directly in front of you. Unplug the module and close the glove box. Thank you for following our guide on installing Arnott's rear coil spring conversion kit. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.